Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a related post section in your Wix blog. This feature is incredibly useful because it keeps readers engaged with your content by suggesting other relevant articles they might find interesting, ultimately increasing time spent on your site and improving your overall SEO. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find the blog option. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to managing your blog. From this menu, click on Posts. This will take you to the main area where all your blog content is stored and managed. Now you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the blog posts you currently have in your Wix account. This is your content library where you can view, edit, and organize all your published and draft posts. Simply browse through your posts and select the one you wish to add related posts to. Once you've identified the posts you want to work with, click the Edit button next to it. This action will open up the blog editor page for that specific post, giving you full access to customize its content and settings. Once you're on the blog editor page, locate the Settings button on the left side menu and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the configuration options available for this particular blog post. When you click it, a post settings window will appear on your screen, presenting various customization options. From here, scroll down through the settings until you locate the Related Posts field. This is where you'll be able to connect your current post with other relevant content from your blog. Click on the plus Choose Posts button to begin adding related posts to this blog post. Keep in mind that Wix allows you to choose and add up to 3 related posts for every blog post, so select the ones that are most relevant and complementary to your current content. And that's it. You've successfully added a related post section to your Wix blog post, making it easier for your readers to discover more of your content and stay engaged with your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.